Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, today I will show you how to enable file extensions on iPad and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPad or iPhone. Click on this icon. Click on View Options. And choose Show All Extensions. That's all. This will enable extension of all files on your iPad or iPhone. Let's check. Go to any folder. Here you can see the extensions of all files are enabled now. You can also disable file extension at any time. For this, click on Show Items icon. Click on View Options. And tap and uncheck Show All Extensions. You will instantly see all file extensions will be disabled. Simple. This change will carry over into all other directories within the Files app as well. Being able to see file extensions this way requires an iPhone or iPad with Files app to have iOS or iPadOS 16 or newer. As earlier versions do not support viewing file extensions like this. Want to learn more? Please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.